This conference will now be recorded.
Today we have two presenters. The first one we will have Kumaraj to present. Kumaraj, I have given you the presenter. Can you hear me?
Hey, Janvo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me share my screen.
Yeah, go ahead, please. Thank you.
Yeah. Able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Hi, everyone. I can start this PR. I can just give like a high-level overview. So this is like ACL object changes. So where I'm introducing like two new attributes to match on inner source MAC and inner disk MAC. So we already have a lot of other inner packet fields. So this one is to introduce just the inner source MAC and inner disk MAC. So the first block is for the SAI ACL table, where we have like a source MAC and disk MAC Boolean field, so that Sonic or any other operating system can define what all the valid fields that are present in the ACL table. So here I introduce a Boolean inner source MAC and inner disk MAC in the SAI ACL table. And in the next section is for the actual fields, where we have like SAI ACL entry, inner source MAC, and SAI ACL entry, inner disk MAC of type SAI MAC underscore T. So this is almost similar to outer source MAC and outer disk MAC. I'm just introducing for inner packet fields. And as part of the SAI create ACL or any other API, the SAI ACL field data has both the actual data as well as mask. So operating system can pass both the data as well as mask while calling the API to specify the inner source MAC and inner disk MAC fields. Yeah, this is like very simple change. Any questions?
Okay. Sounds like pretty simple to get it in.
Yeah. Okay, I think if you don't have any questions, I think I'm done.
Okay.
Let me
All
stop
right.
sharing the screen. Yeah, thanks,
Oh,
Jen.
yeah. Thank you for
Bye.
Kumaraj sharing. Next one is Praful from Broadcom. Let me make you presenter. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Yeah. Hello.
Hi, Praful.
Yes. Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sure. What is this? 1 second. Where my screen is. If my screen is visible right now.
Yeah, we see your screen. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So I'm not sure like if it is right.
But it's
Yeah,
not
this is
moving.
screen. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, yeah. This is screen.
Yeah, okay. Now it's moving. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, okay. Yeah. So yeah, last meeting like we had some query regarding cable
Praful, like we
diagnostics.
don't see anything.
So uh, now you are able to see.
I'm no, not able to see anything.
Okay, let me share again. 1 second. Stop sharing. So now you are able to see.
At least
Yeah,
not for me.
for me it's okay.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm using browser, so I don't know whether there is some problem with that.
Okay. So last time there were some code review comment. So this so for new people, like I can just give background. So this this review is for cable diagnostics feature, and that is for Ethernet copper cables and PCS data path select attribute. So so basically this cable diagnostics, this is for copper PHY, and PCS diagnostics, so that is for optical and fiber, like Ethernet PHYs. So in case of uh, cable diagnostic, first I'll just go through this. So this will give the diagnostics like Ethernet copper pair states. So basically this Ethernet copper cable is twisted copper Ethernet cables. So generally that twisted copper pair cables, like it is like it depends on like how many number of pairs are there. Generally there are 4 pairs. So here we have given like it returns the pair state sequentially from list 0 to n. N is number of pairs. Let's say there are 4 pairs, so it will give 0 to 3 in sequential manner. Like this will give the pair states. And like when this algorithm will run, so it is like it runs inside firmware. So once we request this cable pair state, so firmware will trigger this algorithm. So internally, like it will go in debug mode, and once it collects the data, and then it will update the command like completion, and then we can read. So it is synchronous call. So basically, driver will take care that part actually. It will wait for the completion of that command, and then it will give to the user. So last time, like there was a question like when it will be triggered. So it will triggered like once it is requested. And N is like number of twisted pair in Ethernet copper cable. So maximum 4 pair cable is supported. And there is pair length. So pair length, the unit is in meter. So it has 2 parameters. One is pair states. So there it will tell like if it is open, short, normal, and other is the length of the cable. So 2 states, and one is cable type. We have to provide the cable type. Like this is the create and set parameter. So this information you have to give to the firmware. And PCS data path this attribute. So this is like in our Ethernet PHY, we have 3 data path. One is like FEC path, and that attribute is already there. We can select the particular FEC mode, and we have one PCS data path. Like if there is only plain PCS traffic, then it can go to the PCS block. And PCS block can do internal, it can check for it alignment marker, and there is some skew like accumulation, then it can remove and realign that data in receive direction. But in current, like there was no attribute to select this path. So I added this data path enable field attribute, so that if no FAQ is selected, and there is two options then. If there is no FAQ, either it can go to the pass-through mode, like there will not be any pre-processing inside the Ethernet 5, or it can go to the PCS data path. So here, by default, it will be pass-through mode, but we can select this data path as a PCS PCS mode. Like it will go to the PCS block, and it will do internal processing. So this is like, and I added this enums. Like earlier it was bool, so but I added as a enum. SAI port data path enable underscore T. So here I have given an option like pass through data path mode and PCS IEEE data path. So in future, if someone want to add some more data path, they can add it using this attribute. So any question in this?
Nope. Anyone from the community has questions? So,
I think
I do have
last,
one thing. Is this
yeah,
strictly only for copper cable?
this cable diagnostics, yeah, generally like we can use for others, but generally like this algorithm like is supported in copper files.
Okay. All right. You have something you mentioned you want to say? Go ahead.
Means last time like Guhan has given these comments like to give this enums in data, PCS data path, and this cable diagnostics like when it will be enabled and number of pairs supported. So I have addressed those things.
Okay. Yep. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
how is
Okay,
it
thank you.
to integrate the diagnostics? Is it?
So then I'll stop sharing.
Yeah. Okay. And I think this is the last topic. So if nobody else has any feedback, then we'll give back quite a bit of time back to everybody today. Yeah. Thanks for joining.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye.